In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a reviews and approvals workflow in ClickUp. We'll build a clean workspace you can use to collect items that need review, move them through feedback, and mark them done with confidence. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and logging into your account so we can set everything up together. Once you're in, create a dedicated home for all approvals. Open spaces, choose add space, and name it reviews and approvals. Keeping this separate from day-to-day work makes it crystal clear what needs sign-off and who's responsible. Inside that new space, set up folders to mirror the groups that submit work. For example, create one folder for the design team and another for the marketing team. This keeps creative assets and copy requests organized without mixing them together. Quick note: you'll find a download link for the app and a link to the website at the very top of the description, so you can install ClickUp or open it in the browser with one click. Now, inside each folder, add lists that reflect the review flow. Create 3 lists: pending review for items that are waiting to be looked at, in review for items currently being examined and discussed, and approved or completed for anything finalized. This simple 3-stage structure prevents bottlenecks because anyone can see where work sits at a glance. With your structure in place, start adding tasks for each item that needs eyes on it. Add tasks like design mockups, marketing copy, social media content, or blog articles. In each task, attach files or links and include a short summary of what the reviewer should look for to save time and back and forth. Next, add helpful fields so details don't get lost. Include priority to highlight urgency, assignee so it's clear who owns the next action, due date to set expectations, and status so progress is visible. Fill these in as you create tasks to keep everything tidy from the start. To track progress inside each task, set statuses such as to do, in progress, and completed. These give you a quick pulse on whether work is being drafted, actively reviewed, or finished. Finally, keep an eye on the pipeline using list view for a clean checklist, or board view if you prefer a Kanban-style layout. Sort or filter by assignee, priority, or due date to focus on what matters today. That's it. You now have a ClickUp setup to manage reviews and approvals efficiently, keeping tasks organized and workflows clear. Thanks for watching.